For instance, in Surah Al-Isra, which is chapter 17 of Al-Quran Al-Kareem, also known as Surah Bani Israel, if you read the first 12 verses, it tells us regarding the dominance of the state of Israel. وَلَتَعْلُنَّ عُلُوًّا كَبِيرًا, and also وَلَتُفْسِدُنَّ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَرَّتَيْنِ, that you shall cause corruption on the earth twice. Once has already occurred, and the second one is occurring today. Additional to that, the Quran foretold in that same chapter that the believers shall take the city of Jerusalem, and they shall take the city of Jerusalem for a second time. Both of these things are mentioned in Surah Al-Isra or Surah Bani Israel. But around the time when the Zionist movement was founded by Theodor Herzl and his fellow conspirators in the late 1800s, even though it was a theme that was building up to a formalization of Zionism in 1897, around that time, I think around 1890, the body of a foe of humanity was founded. Whose body was that? That was the body of Pharaoh. Many of the scholars have identified Pharaoh as Ramesses II. And the Quran foretold regarding the discovery of the body of Pharaoh and the preservation of the body of Pharaoh, that when Pharaoh was drowning, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala addressed him that فَالْيَوْمَ نُنَجِّيكَ بِبَدَنِكَ, that today we shall preserve your body. فَالْيَوْمَ نُنَجِّيكَ, this word نُنَجِّيكَ, very precise, we shall preserve, we shall save you. How? Save you in what sense? بِبَدَنِكَ, with your body. Why? لِتَكُونَ لِمَنْ خَلْفَكَ آيَةً, in order that you, لِتَكُون, you or Pharaoh, become for those who come after you, ayah, a sign. Note the same word ayah is used for the ark of Nuh alayhi salam, a sign, a visible sign. So Pharaoh became a visible sign in the late 1800s, around the same time when Theodor Herzl attempted to bribe a Sultan Abdul Hamid al-Thani with gold coins to buy the land of Palestine. The enemy of Bani Israel was found, Pharaoh, meaning as if to say that the corruption that Pharaoh caused on earth do not cause the same corruption.